I would just like to greet my cousin Beatrice Sanchez an advance happy birthday on September 26. So, I know you often understand Tagalog, so magtatagalog na lang ako, no? Kasi para baka biglang matwist yung dila ko pag sumobra yung English. But, so, Bay, I would just like to wish you advance happy birthday. Congratulations on your professional career, whatever that may be. Continue being a good daughter to your mom and dad because luckily you have good parents who supports you and never doubted you from day one. No? So I think you're 30 now. So I just hope that your maturity in different aspects of life starts at that age, because when I was 30 when I turned 30, that's where I realized a lot of things about myself and about the environment around me. So sana ganun ka din. So anyways, happy birthday in advance. God bless you and take care of your parents and your brother. So God bless and no more birthdays to come.